Hi, and welcome back to Scratch. I'm Casey. In this video, I'm going to explain the progress update feature. This is a feature that you can use multiple times per day to let your team know what you've completed or what's taking a little bit longer. This is a sliding scale from 0 to 100%, and you can also give a comment on what you're working on. So again, from the workspace, you're going to go to your feed, hit that purple button, and instead of checking in, you're going to hit your progress. And here is where you're going to slide the scale from 0 to 100%. From here, you can go down to 50%. So let's say we're at 50. We've finished 2 out of the 4 projects. Proposal is taking longer than expected. And we're going to hit that paper airplane. And again, you're going to earn points, 10 points. Hit amazing. And there's your progress update right there. Proposal is taking longer than expected. That's the progress. Thanks for watching.